What is going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about these trimmers, the Babyliss Pro Skeleton FX trimmers. Now, one of the biggest questions I get is there's so many different colorways, as you can tell right here in front of me, but is there a difference between each of these models? And I'm sure some of you guys are looking for replacement blades, so I will cover that as well so you guys know exactly what to order as you are shopping online. So I have them in order from which one came out first to where it's at now. I have a couple missing colors in between here, which is the red and the white trimmer. So just to keep in mind as you are shopping for new trimmers, this is the 787. These are the Babyliss skeleton trimmers, was what we call them. That's like their street name, but the actual model number is going to be your FX787. Please don't get these mixed up with the FX788, which is this one right here. This is also called a Silver FX on the box, but this is a completely different model than everything that I'm showing you here. So if you are looking for the skeleton trimmer, this is very different than what you're seeing right here. And I'm gonna show you guys a side by side so you know. So both of these are Silver FXs, but this is a different model. Already you can tell there's a difference because one will come with this black graphite blade and one comes with a regular blade. Now when you're looking at it from the side, you can tell on this model here, it has more of a cutoff on the body, which allows this free space for the blade to really travel in tight spaces, versus this one, it runs right up into the lip of that blade. So hopefully you guys now can tell the difference between the both of them. And even looking at the body sizes, your skeleton trimmers are going to be a little bit thick than you will see the 788s. I wanted to definitely clarify that because I've had people get this one but wondering why it didn't work like this one. So just keep in mind they're two completely different types of trimmers. So now let's talk about the difference between the blades. I've grouped them by how they come stock. This is going to be your standard blade. These are all your deep tooth blades, and this is the newest version, Custom Effects, which you get to choose what kind of blades you want. Now, if you guys saw a video that I posted a while back, I went into detail what the pros and cons of each of those blades are between the fine tooth, the standard, and the deep tooth blade. You can check that one out if you already haven't, depending on if they sharpen it or not, or just using it completely stock and zero gapped. So it's going to be a little bit different for everybody. It's not to say that this one can't do as well as these ones. Before we had any of these Skeleton FX trimmers out, we were actually using this one and the rose gold edition of this and managed to get pretty good work out of it. The cool thing with barbers is that we kind of learn how to tweak our tools, whether it's through a zero gap or sharpening the blade to get it to, you know, cut as sharp as we need to. But if you want something that's super easy out of the box, then what you're looking at here, as tools develop, they get better always. So I always try to upgrade to the newest things, to the newest ones available. I'm confident that any colorway you get out of the box, you will enjoy how they work. So I hope this video clears up a couple things for you guys. And if you like what you heard, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys next time.